Here are some easy ADHD organization hacks, and the first one is the 24-hour rule. And what you do when you're thinking about buying something or bringing something into your home, you stop, you wait for 24 hours, and after that 24 hours, if you want to actually do that thing, buy that thing, whatever, then go ahead and buy it. But before you actually buy anything that you're thinking about, that you're impulsive about, that you just have to have, stop and take that 24 hours. And the next organization hack is the 10-3 rule for ADHD. You do 10 minutes of work and then you take a 3-minute break, and you need a timer for this. I use a visual timer. This is what I use. You see the color there? That color is actually 10 minutes. And as that color goes down and disappears, then you know that your time has passed. Now, when you get down to taking your break, you just set it for another 3 minutes, and then you'll see the time disappear for that 3 minutes. And all you do is once you do, you turn this dial here, and then it actually disappears when you do that. So this is a really good way to actually make sure you're able to keep track of that time when you're doing anything that you want to do using the 10-3 rule for, and helps you actually with your breaks as well. And the next hack is no empty hands. When you're up going to some place to do something, make sure you have something in your hands you need to take to that place to also put away. And then that way you are actually solving two things at once. For example, you're going to get laundry out of the dryer so that you can fold them. So this is the clothes that you are going to get. Now, as you're going to your laundry, you're gonna actually take clothes that you need to actually put into the washing machine. And this way you always have something in your hands, and you accomplish two things. Now you have the clothes you need in the washing machine, and now you have the clothes that you need to fold. And if you are enjoying the content, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the like button for me. And also try this, have a laundry hamper in whatever room is convenient for you. If it helps you to have a laundry hamper in your living room, because it's going to help make sure you get your clothes into the laundry hamper by being in that location, then put it in the living room or whatever room is going to help you do that. You do not want your clothes to end up on the floor or even in a chair. For example, I have one right here. This is actually a hamper. It's collapsible, but I can move this anywhere. It's really portable. Right now I have it on my couch, but I can put it on the floor. And the cool thing about this is wherever it is, it just helps me make sure that I can get my clothes into this laundry hamper and keep them from just ending up anywhere else in my home. And here's another hack. If something takes less than 3 minutes, go ahead and do it now. That way you don't forget about it, and then it doesn't get done because you just thought, oh, I'll come back and do it later. Instead, get it done now. For example, you have dishes in the dishwasher. This is something generally you can do in less than 3 minutes. And another easy hack is different laundry baskets for different types of clothes. And right here I have two different laundry baskets, one for dirty clothes, one for clean clothes. I know which clothes I need to actually take to the washer to wash. I know which clothes I need to go ahead and fold. I do have them color coded. It makes it even easier. This is just a really quick laundry hack to help you get your laundry done. And something else great for ADHD is to have a declutter drop zone. If you are decluttering your home, you need some place to put the clutter, and you don't want to leave it just around your home because then it becomes clutter somewhere else. Instead, what you want to do is pick a place in your home that you take all the clutter to, and then at the end of everything, you know your clutter is there, and that way it's easy to find and actually get out of your home. And something else you need to do is have a trash can by your door, so that way when you get your mail, you can look through it, take all of your junk mail, and actually throw it in that trash can before it gets all the way into your home, on a table, on a bench, in a chair, on the floor, wherever it might end up. Instead of doing that, what you want to do is as soon as you bring it in the door, sort it and get rid of all the junk mail in that trash can. And because it's by the door, it makes it really easy and convenient to make sure you actually do that. And another easy hack is to make sure you have pen and paper all around your home in different places. You need to write something down to remember something. You need to brainstorm something. You need to write down your affirmations. Then you have these all around your home, and you can do that as soon as you think about it, instead of trying to hold it in your working memory and to remember it and thinking you're going to just keep it in your memory for when you want to recall it later. That's really hard to do if you have ADHD, so this is an easy solution to make sure that you can get all that stuff you're thinking about on something so you don't have to remember it. And then the cool thing about this is you can take in more information or think about other things. And if you want to learn more easy organization hacks for your home, I'm gonna put a video up. Go ahead and click that video and watch that video to learn more about how to organize your home easily.